And now it's time to play everyone's favorite game. Who's that bird? What's that bird there on the pole?
Kinda looks like Pinocchio.
Yeah, it's got a long straight bill.
Can you guess what type of bird that is?
Here's a hint. A common nickname for this bird is the sky goat. But that's not its real name.
Alright guys, time's almost up.
10 more seconds, guys.
Pause the video and put your answer in the comment box below. Time's up! Whoa! It's a common snipe!
Common snipe are a small, shore-type bird with a long bill. They breed in Iceland, Northern Europe, and Russia. The males perform an elaborate courtship dance, flying high in circles and then taking shallow dives, producing a drumming sound by vibrating their tail feathers. Despite their aerial displays, common snipes spend most of their time on the ground, foraging for worms, insects, and other small invertebrates. The common snipe is one of the most widespread of all snipes. It closely resembles North America's Wilson snipe, which was considered a subspecies of the common snipe until recently.
Did you get it this time?
Hope you got it, guys! Stay tuned for more birding fun!